1440p gaming doesn't have to be super expensive, and today we're going to show you that with this $900 gaming PC.
And even with RAM pricing going up, we managed to find some value here for $900, and we're going to give away this PC. We'll tell you all about that after a word from today's sponsor.
Looking for the perfect wood grain gaming PC case? Look no further than today's sponsor, Okinos, and their affordable yet stylish walnut wood PC cases. We have built in every single case from Okinos' lineup, and the three we're focusing on today is the brand new Okinos Air Cross, as well as the Cypress 3 and Cypress 7. If you're looking to keep the budget low but the performance high, the Cypress 3 is the perfect option with 4 pre-installed 120mm fans, as well as a micro ATX form factor. This is definitely one of our go-to cases when building budget PCs. Want to take it up a size? That's where the Cypress 7 comes in, supporting up to ATX motherboards, 360mm AIOs, and coming in with the same pre-installed PWM fans and even more fan support. This is a perfect sweet spot for mid-range builds. The Air Cross is Okinos' new and most advanced PC case yet, mixing modern cooling features and unique styling, all at a great price without sacrificing the looks. The Air Cross takes the same formula from Okinos with pre-installed fans, while also adding features like power supply relocation for top-notch GPU cooling. To learn more and pick up one of these awesome Okinos cases, check out the links in the description down below. Big thanks to Okinos for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it.
So this is one of those builds where we got some used and some new parts, and to kick things off, we got the i5 12400F 6-core 12-thread. I actually got this off of eBay and it's new. It's actually new in a really beat up box, but I paid 130 bucks for it from a really reputable seller, so I don't know why they have these in bulk, but they do, and I'm pretty happy with the price. Now for an extra 30 bucks, rather than using the little rinky-dink stock cooler that comes with this, I got this, the ID Cooling Frozn A620 Pro SE. That's a mouthful. I think we've used this cooler before. I know we've used like 1,000 ID Cooling coolers, and this one's just beefy. I mean, it's heavy, it's big, it has 2 fans on it, and I think it'll look really good in our full ATX case that we decided to go with. Now for the motherboard, we decided to save some money and go used, and it's getting harder to find DDR4 versions of these boards, so this is an MSI Mag B760 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4. So this is a full ATX board. It's a pretty nice looking one. We paid about 100 bucks for it on eBay, and the thing is, normally if you go on Amazon, you're gonna spend a little bit more than this, and it's going to be a DDR5 board, and if you guys have seen RAM pricing, it is not pretty. And we actually saved a little bit of money on our RAM, which I'll tell you about in a second, but it's a nice board. It's got 4 RAM slots, it's got like all these extra PCIe, look, it even has covers for the VRMs, pretty nice. Now this was the cheapest DDR4 RAM I could find in terms of 32 gigs. So this is KingSpec, and it's apparently their Storm. It's not, oh, Gaming Storm, okay, I see it.
Storm's a-coming!
Yes, it's the DDR4 Gaming Storm line, which I don't know a whole lot about this stuff. We've used KingSpec storage a lot, and I know we've seen their RAM inside of like, you know, certain pre-builds like from AliExpress and stuff, but I don't know, I'm excited to use this stuff because 32 gigs is so expensive, but $90 on Newegg felt like a pretty good steal at this very moment. Now, as you guys know, storage has also gone up, not like RAM, but we got this Kingston NV3, which is actually the really fast Gen 4 that Kingston makes, and we ended up paying 73 bucks for it. So if you don't know, the NV1 is also their Gen 4 drive that's like Gen 3 speeds. It's very slow, but for 73 bucks, I feel pretty good about this one because this one's up to 6,000 megabytes per second read and write.
Now for the graphics card, shout out to Jawa. We picked this GPU up. This is an RTX 3080 from EVGA. RIP EVGA. I always love seeing these cards in the office because I just miss them so much. But for a little over $300, or about $345 for this model shipped to our door, this is an awesome GPU when you compare it to something like a 5060 Ti or 5060. Kind of slots in the middle there, sometimes competes with the 5060 Ti 8 gig, and it comes with 10 gigs of VRAM, which is why we feel pretty comfortable saying this is really good for 1440p gaming. Again, you're going to have to do some setting lowering and some newer titles, but we'll show you guys our recommended settings for those games when we test it. But I'm excited to see how this GPU pairs, and stay subscribed because we will be doing a video where we benchmark this GPU versus the 5060 to see which one is the best bang for buck, but in this video we're going to focus solely on these benchmarks. For the power supply, we have the Rosewill VSB 650. I mean, this is kind of our go-to power supply for budget builds because it's rated very well in the tier list. It comes in at a decent price point of $50, 650 watts. It comes with an ATX 3.1 connector installed, which is just really crazy. And I mean, why go with anything else right now? Because this is a really good price and you're going to have good room and power to power this entire build. Now for the case, we have Okinos for this case. The Cypress 5, which again, they're the sponsor of this video. I think they're the pre-roll sponsor, but they didn't sponsor this case. We just always buy Okinos cases for our builds because they're just so good for the money. This one is a full ATX case coming in at 60 bucks. You get a little bit of wood accent right here. You do get a bunch of fans pre-installed. We get 3 up front, 1 in the back. We have room for our cooler, hopefully, when we install it and put it all together. And all in all, for $60, you cannot complain about the price performance of this case, and the airflow is gonna be very solid. So again, around $900 for this build. I'm excited to see what we put together. Even with RAM being expensive, I still think 900 bucks is a pretty good deal for this PC, but we gotta build it, see what it's all about, and then we'll tell you guys how you can win this PC very shortly. All right, guys, we're in good old, well, I say good old, it is Black Ops 7, it's a new game. We're running 1440p, like we said, balanced with no upscaling on 120 FOV. You don't even need any upscaling, baby. Upscaling. Get 100 FPS. Obviously, if you want to like maintain a really, really high FPS, you could do some upscaling as well. DLSS is on board with the 3080. But yeah, this is looking pretty dang good. I'm excited to see how this runs across other games. Clearly, we're not CPU bottlenecked at all. Our GPU is at 100%, so that's pretty cool to see. And we're just gonna get some kills here, see how this whole thing holds up. I need to know, how many people are playing this game? Y'all still grinding? Y'all think you got your money's worth? Let me know down below. I want to know how long I have to benchmark it.
Is it 60 or 70?
70.
For a skinned Black Ops 6.
It really does feel like a skinned Black Ops 6, I'll be real with you. Whenever y'all get bored of this game, let me know. Yeah, 3080 is pretty impressive. I will say it's getting close to about 80 degrees Celsius. The signs of this card and what it was used for, it screams cryptocurrency mining, or it was just some sort of a workstation GPU. So it could be due for a little thermal paste swap as well if you want to maximize temps. But 80 is fine. It's not bad by any means.
Oh, he's there.
Oh, no! Oh, no. Oh, no! Thank you, teammate!
Dude, look like he disappeared on you.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh, dang it. Oh! I hit that grenade. I went trying to get the kills. Oh no. We're cooked, but this PC ain't cooked. Performance pretty good. Temperatures on the GPU is definitely getting higher than I would like, so maybe repacing will be good. Let's go on to the next game.
So we are now in Arc Raiders, and I'm really hoping I don't get shot here. But we are currently running 1440p. We got DLSS set to auto.
Ooh, we're on epic and high. Oh wow, whoa!
I don't know about all this. High ray tracing too. I mean, it is 30 series.
I mean, you're at 90 to 100 FPS.
Doesn't feel too choppy or anything. Let's see if we can see.
It's crazy it defaulted to those like high settings.
I feel like I've seen it do that a couple times. I mean, I feel like they probably still look at the 3080 as like a really high-end card, you know?
Now Jackson's here to loot because he's actually played this game, which means he's gonna do better than me.
Okay, shoot the wings.
Uh-oh.
Okay, shoot the wings. Oh my god, I'm about to get destroyed. Oh, did I? Maybe. I mean, I was trying to talk. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did not know these dudes were this strong. I'm already gonna die. Run! Run, boy!
Help him!
Someone help me.
Help!
Oh god, I'm dead.
Oh no!
Alright, so now we're in the practice area. About the same FPS, so we know we're not getting anything too crazy different here. All right, let's try playing with some settings. Let's do...
Wonder if this game, you go and tell me down below if this is one of those games where you really want like stupid high FPS, or it's one where you kind of, you know, go more optimized settings.
Yeah, like maybe medium balanced DLSS. See what that does for us. I just feel a lot smoother.
It does help.
Yeah, so balanced DLSS and like more medium settings and lower ray tracing. We basically got 1.5 times more FPS. We're at 140 now. I don't think this game has framed in, does it?
I don't think it
really
does. I mean, everything we run it on, it runs really smooth. So for the sake of it being a very popular game, it runs very well on everything, even though you break your ankles every single time.
Well, all right, cool. So Arc Raiders looking pretty good. Black Ops really good so far. So I mean, I don't think this thing's gonna have anything that it can't play, but
RV there yet?
RV there yet. That ultra settings.
RV there yet.
It's tough.
All right, guys, we're in RV there yet. Currently running the following settings. We are at 1440p. High settings, luminance is currently off, which we can actually turn on, see if it breaks things. And then if we go to advanced settings, we're on high with DLSS on, and it's set to auto.
I'm pulling some watts from that GPU right now.
Yeah, so this GPU, it'll push some watts. What are we looking at on the watt reader for those at home who are scared their power supply is going to blow up?
425.
425. We still have wiggle room. Again, it's a good 650 watt power supply, so I feel very comfortable with it. But yeah, you're definitely pulling some watts in this game. Hey, hold up, what's up?
Light shaky.
Let me light a little shaky up real quick. Climb, baby, climb!
Go on now, get.
Climb! Yeah, we're getting 100 FPS. We like to test these indie games mainly because, well, they're just fun games that people are actually playing on a pretty consistent basis. And it's pretty cool for us to be able to test. Oh my, whoa! Yo!
Oh no, your rough is gone.
I'm just going down with it, baby. There was an avalanche? Are you kidding me? It's just to show you guys that there's more games out there, and this one is a pretty demanding game, but at 1440p it looks pretty fun. And I'm just letting Jesus take the wheel here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going and smoking my cig.
Bye-bye, Bozo.
I survived that.
It's all good.
She looks a little rough. I don't know what it is, but hey, 100 FPS. You can run this game on even higher details if you want to. You can use a 4K in this game if you want to. I don't really recommend it, but you can do it. But all in all, fun to benchmark this PC for $900. That 3080 is a sneaky good value. We'll see what our 3D Mark score is, along with the other couple benchmarks, just to further wrap this video up. And then what you guys have been waiting for, how you can win this PC. I'll tell you about that.
We just got done benchmarking our giveaway PC, and this one is going to be an awesome giveaway, not only because we get to give something back to y'all, but the PC was really good, and when we get to play 1440p games, the 3080 is still a good used card. There's not a lot of cards that we can say that about right now. Normally, Matt and I hate the used market for GPUs in the past year, but this card has remained pretty well priced.
And we ran some other benchmarks along with that 3D Mark score to further confirm our, well, idea of this PC. It's a pretty good PC for the price. Those benchmarks are as follows. We ran Cyberpunk at 1440p high settings with no upscaling, got 100 FPS average, a minimum of 85 and a max of 119. CS2 1440p on high settings this time. We got an average of 268.1 with a 1% low of 114.
And in 3D Mark Time Spot, we got a score of 15,356, which is a 6 cents per point score. That's pretty good for a PC that we built that's full ATX, has Wi-Fi, and it's got some really good amenities to it.
Now, if you guys want to win this gaming PC, you need to go to twitch.tv/ToastyBros on November 21st, starting at 11 a.m. Eastern Time to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be live streaming for our monthly PC giveaway event. We're going to have some fun, play some games, do some giveaways, and you guys have a chance to win this PC, but you have to be there on the stream and have 10,000 toasts, which is our loyalty system you can earn by watching our streams that we also do every single morning. So go to twitch.tv/ToastyBros, be sure to hit that follow button, and use a link down below if you want to build this PC yourself and not wait for the giveaway, because prices are actually pretty solid, and especially with how RAM is getting, you definitely want to build this now before things get even worse.
And as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Now, on top of this giveaway that we're doing here, we're also doing a sweepstakes over at PCBros.tech. So in theory, you could win 2 gaming PCs in 1 month.
Absolutely crazy. Go to PCBros.tech to learn more about the sweepstakes and also buy a PC today. If you just don't want to wait or feel like you don't have good luck, you should enter it anyways. You can buy a PC and use code ToastyBros on checkout. You will save 3%, or you can get a free mouse pad and a cleaning kit included, which is auto-applied on checkout. PCBros.tech. See you guys later. Goodbye.